Hello guys, here we are doing the paper uh, which is a specimen copy, and this pattern will be there from the exam 2023. Okay, this is a one model paper. We can take it as that's called specimen paper. So from next year onwards, uh, this paper pattern will be followed. So here if you see, it's a pay of time 2 and 15 minutes, only 2 hours 15 minutes. Okay, it's a paper 2 hours 15 minutes. And if I tell you to go through the paper, where you have task 1 of evidence document, task 2 of the document production, and after this we have task 3 of databases, that's using MS Access. And after this, all the time till the last year, or no, means till this year 22 as well, we got we got what, mail merge part. Yes, always as a task 4 or 5 there is one mail merge, but if you see over here there is no mail merge. Directly after databases we have presentation. Okay, only 3 straight topics we have. There is no mail merge in between. Can you see that? That's it. So this is MS Access, that's reports, and about databases. So about that we have this. That's what this document production using MS Word of all these styles and all. Okay, so mail merge is not there from next year. Okay, 2023 examination onwards. So we are going to have only 3 topics. Okay, now let's start. I'm going to leave this source files of all these source files in a folder in the description. Please download, and you can practice along with this video so that you can have thorough understanding. And for all the videos I'm uploading, the source file, the fresh file, you can just download. You can come to my channel and please download the files. Now let's start with task 1. These all files are there with us in the folder. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let me show you that. Here are the ones. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are the all files in that folder. Okay, this I'll leave in the description through the link. Now let's start with the first task. Evidence document. Open the file SPO2 evidence.rtf. Okay, since it's a specimen paper, make sure that your name, city number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document, and save this evidence document in your work area as this, and followed by your candidate number. It has to be like this. Okay, and this we have to minimize and keep aside, so that as we are moving through the paper, we are going to have lots of evidences to be added in this evidence document. So now let's start. Open this file. Let me go to the folder evidence document. See, look at this here. Just double click that and open. This is the document, evidence document. How many? 34 something is there. There's only one page, but we have to prepare it for ourselves. For that reason, what we have to do, insert header, and we have to pick 3 columns. Header, blank 3 columns, and type in your details. name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, just double click outside. And one more thing we have to do is we have to save this with a particular file type, file name pattern, right? So go to save as, and here is the one, specimen paper 2, and here we will add the candidate number. Is it candidate number? It is candidate number. Okay, so candidate number goes, mine goes like this, or anything fake you can add, it's not a thing. And we have to save it as the file type Word document. Please make sure of that. Okay, save. Okay, this job is done of evidence. Just let's minimize and keep. Now let's go to the question paper for further stuff. Task 2, document production. You are going to edit a report for Tawara Yacht Brokers. The company uses a corporate style, house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. Yeah, so it's all about no, we're going to create, means edit a report which has been made already. What is on what? On Tawara Yacht Brokers. Okay, now using its suitable software package, open the file, this, super. The page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation and with 2 cm margins. Do not make any changes to these settings. Okay, it is already set. Three features are set. What are they? 3 formatting. One is A4, another one is landscape, and third one is the margins are of 2 centimeters all around. So we should not change or modify these settings. Okay, so just open and we will keep it for further stuff. Where is that? Go to the folder and see this one, super. Tawara Yacht Brokers, and see it's in landscape, and even the margins are set, and this is A4 page. So this is A4 document size, you see there, A4. Okay, done. Now let's move to the further questions. Make sure to save the document in your work area with file name broker. Okay, the full day we are going to change the name to broker. Open super and go to file, save as, in the same folder I'm going to save, but I'm going to change to broker, and the type is to Word document. Okay, save. Now next question, make sure it is saved in the format yes. Place in your evidence document the screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of file type as well. Okay, fine, that we're going to do. Let's go to the folder. Now where is my broker? Here is the broker, right? Here is the broker. Okay, now what I have to do, just take a light shot. I'm gonna just crop it, press print screen button. Sorry, just let me just open the file type clearly so that I can highlight it. See this one, this is ours. Select and keep, then press print screen button and crop along with the file name above the folder. Fine, and even you can highlight it like this where you have saved, and also the file type we have to show. Okay, now let me copy this, go to evidence, and this is the first evidence ever for this file. Where is that? Question number 1. Here, see, step 1, evidence 1 over here. Okay, just save and minimize. Now let's go to the second question. Place in the footer of the file broker automated page number left aligned. In the footer, we have to go to the footer, automated page number left aligned. Okay, let me do that first. I have to go to the footer. Okay, for that, insert footer and blank 3 column. This is the first page's footer. Okay, anywhere on any page you do, it will appear on every page. Now towards the left, automated page number. Okay, select that type here in the footer, and here header footer automatically appears when you work with header footer. Okay, just click open that, and it is of page numbers, automated page numbers. Can you see there? Here, page number, just at the bottom where you want. Else, just we can click directly. We can put here like this as well. Else here we have a other way as well, going through this quick paths. Fine. Click field. Here, go to page. These are the formats. Okay, and then click OK. Number 1. This is one, and another one as well. We have another feature, your name, center number, candidate number, right aligned. Okay, so here is the one I'm going to take. Okay, I'm going to type in center number and candidate number. Okay, now the middle one I don't need, just delete it. Okay, now click outside, double click outside. Now is it appearing on every page by automated number? See here, 2, and my details here. Perfect. Now save the work and go to the question. Make sure that all alignments match the page margins. No other text is included in the header and footer area. The footer is displayed on all pages. Yeah, it is displayed, and this question is done. Third step, create and store the following styles basing each on the default paragraph style. Okay, so we are going to create only 2 styles over here. Corporate house styles, we call them. They are tailor-made or private styles up to our document only. They are not in general. Okay, so that they are called corporate house styles. Okay, now let's start with this. Step 3, TY subhead. Now just before starting any corporate styles to be created, we have to keep in mind one very important thing, that you have to take the cursor at the end of the document. Make sure it is lying somewhere out of the document, at the end of the document. Never ever keep your cursor in between the text. Okay, now I'm sure that my cursor is blinking over here. See, you can see that. Now let's go and do the styles. Here, first one is TY subhead. Okay, TY subhead. Either I can just copy from here or I'll type in there. Now let's start with the first step. Where's my cursor? It's here. Now I need my menus. Okay, see, few are already there. Few are already made for this document. So whenever you open document, automatically those set of creators house styles will appear, and they are telling us to create two more. So that's what we are doing. Okay, let's start with the first one out of those 2. Click here, down arrow, create a style. Now the style name is TY hyphen subhead. Okay, see the spelling there. modify, and here style type is paragraph and character. Can you see that? Here just click the paragraph styles. Okay, based on same the paragraphs. Normal. Now here the name is this. See, based on the paragraph style type is this. Okay, it's clearly said that. What is that? Basing each on the default paragraph style. See, here's the one. Okay, after this we have to set the specifications of it. Sans serif 16 center. Sans serif, here is sans serif 16 and center. All caps, bold, single. All caps we get under format font. Here is all caps and they want bold. Okay, and after this what's single line spacing. Here is a single line spacing. Next, space before 0 but space after 9. For that we have to go to format, paragraph. Here spacing before 0 but after it's 9. So tap OK, again OK. We see new one style has been added to the list, existing list. You see now. Next, another one, the last one, ty table. Okay, let's do that now. Hope your cursor is here. Just make sure of that. Now go to the create style and ty capitals hyphen table, T capital TABLE, table, modify. Now the type, see there, of the paragraph, just make sure it's of the paragraph. And now let's go for its own specifications. Serif 11, we have sans serif. Okay, we have sans serif. We don't have serif. Okay, use sans serif. And 11, this is 11, and more center, italic, single. Center, this is a center, italics, fine, and single line, this is a single line. Now 0 and 0 before and after the paragraph, 0 and 0. For that, go to format, paragraph, and spacing over here, both of them 0 0. Okay, okay, here I got the new style, the one I created just now. And where is my cursor? Cursor is here. Yes, fine. Now let's move to the next. Take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings for the TY subhead style. Make sure there is evidence that you have based this on the default paragraph style. Place this in your evidence document. Okay, that's what they were asking. This is what one, this one. So just right click, open, modify. They want to see the style specifications and paragraph and all. Yes, let's take a screenshot of this. Press print screen button and crop it along with the file name. That's better if you can. Copy and go to let me just say okay there. Go to the evidence and as a second evidence over here. This is second evidence. Save the work and let's go to the next. Step 4. Display these custom style names as a list in the Style Manager organizer. Fine. So let's open that. Here they want to see the styles. Can you see there in the corner styles? All the list of the styles will open, and just keep it here. You can just maximize what are all the you have. See there. Yes. Now let's take a copy of this. I mean the screenshot of this. Press print screen button, and again I'm going to take the crop. Okay, where we have to paste as a third evidence, I'm gonna paste here. Step 4. Okay, done. Save the work and let's back. This also done. Now the fifth one. The style name TY title has already been created, stored, and applied to the title text. Okay. Modify the TY title style so only the following formatting is applied. So it's already been created, but we have to get back, open in modify mode, and we have to modify it. Okay, now let's do that. Go to the broker, close this. Now what is the title, right? See this one, just right click, open, modify. Okay, fine. Now let's see. Sans serif 32. See here, sans serif 32. 32 is not there. Type in 32. Press enter. Then center alignment, bold and underline. Center alignment, bold and underline, and uncheck this italics. Then single space before 0, after 6. Single line spacing over here. Okay, now for spacing, go to format, paragraph. Then here is the one spacing, how much it is, before 0, after 6. Before 0, after 6, this one. Okay, okay, yeah, it's been modified now by us. Place evidence or document a screenshot of the style settings for the TY title style to show that you have changed these. Okay, let's open that. I closed it. Where's the title? Just right click, open, modify. Now I'm going to take the, see here we have all the ones we modified. Okay, just keep this over here in the center, about the means below the name of the file. Press print screen button, crop it how much exactly needed, and copy. Okay, go to the evidence, see, okay, here, and as a step 5 evidence it is. Step 5 evidence here. Save the work. Let's get back to the question. 6. Below the title, add a subtitle, draft report by, and add your name. Okay, below the title, go to the broker, go to the top. Here is the one. See, automatically the modified title, the style has been added here. Okay, earlier it was different. Okay, now we are going for step 6, right? Click over here in the beginning, press enter, and go to the top. Okay, now what I have to type in there, draft report by, draft report by colon, and add your name there. Okay, I'm gonna add my name. After this, the style name TY subtitle has already been created and stored. Apply the style to the text you have entered in step. Means that's what for the subtitle they mean. What is that? Subtitle. Okay, select this and go to the subtitle. Where is subtitle? Here is the one subtitle. Yes. Okay, done. Save the work. Change the page layout so that the subheading global analysis and all following text is displayed in two equally spaced columns with a 2 centimeters spacing between the columns. Okay, from where it is, from subheading global analysis until the end, 2 centimeter gap. Okay, sorry. From global analysis, from here. Now go till the end. You have to select till the end. You have to select till here, till only the paragraph ending. Okay, don't select the rest of the document, empty document. Okay, now leave the cursor at the button. Now go to layout, columns, more columns. 2 you're going to press, and then in the spacing type in 2 cm. Make sure of that it is in centimeters, not in inches. Okay, yeah, it's done. It should look like this. Fine. Now what's next? Identify 5 subheadings in the document and apply the TY subhead style to each one. It's going long. I'm going to stop over here. Sorting. Okay, after this I'm going to stop. Okay, after step 8. No, sorry, step 9. Let's go for it. And the subhead we are going to add. It's very quick to add. Here select the first one and go to home, subhead. Where is the subhead? This is the subhead. Okay, and now click on format painter when it is selected. Okay, when this is selected, the first one, select click on format painter. Now go to the next subheading and just select that. Now you can press on format painter, and here, where is the other one? Sales. Can you see there? Sales. And you can press format painter. Now come to charter something. Again press format painter, conclusion. Okay, anything more? How many I got till now? 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it is said there are total 5 subheadings. Okay, now let's stop this. No, first part of this 2023 specimen paper. That's a paper 2.